This boat is a 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX, a boat that we have listed on brokerage. It's the outboard version with 115 horsepower Mercury Pro. The hull, beautiful boat. The boat is shown in the quantum blue, and it has the gray sEaDek on the swim platform, and also has the gray sEaDek on the interior of the boat. The boat has a bimini top, and then for a cover, it has a full-length mooring cover. Really keeps it clean. Trailer comes with it. It's a Sea Ray factory accompanied trailer. It's a galvanized single axle trailer, and here you can see the Mercury Pro XS 115 horsepower. Boat is available at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. A 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX with a 115.